Hey, I'm gonna sing Colors of the Wind. Hopefully you'll like it. You think I'm ignorant savage when you've been so many places like it couldn't be so, but still I cannot see if the savage one is me. How can you be so much that you don't know? You don't know. You think where you know my land you land on. The earth is just a blessing you can't claim. But I know every rock and tree creature has a life, has a spirit, has a name. You think the only people who are people are the people who look and think like you. But if you walk in the footsteps of a stranger, you'll learn the things you never knew, you never knew. Have you ever heard a wolf cry to the unicorn move? Or ask a grinning bobcat why he grins? Can you sing with all the voices of the mountain? Can you paint with all the colors of glowing? Can you paint with all the colors of glowing? Come run the hidden pine trails of the forest. Come taste the sun-sweet berries of the earth. Come roll in all the riches all around you. If the once never wonder what they're worth, the rainstorm and the river are my brothers. The heron and the otter are my friends. And we are all connected to each other. In a circle, in a hoop that never ends. How high will the sycamore grow? If you cut it down, then you'll never know. And you'll never hear a wolf cry to the blue corn moon. For whether we are white or purple skin, we need to sing with all the voices of the mountain. We need to paint with all the colors of glowing. You can know the earth and still know the garden too. You can paint with all the colors of glowing. Bye.